Use only. Our group is allowing our instructor, Mr. Roldan Ardinis, to use this as an educational material.
Religion is a set of beliefs, practices, and values that guide the behavior and worldview of a group of people. It often involves the worship of one or more deities and can provide a framework for understanding the meaning and purpose of life. Religion has played a significant role in human history, shaping culture, politics, and social norms. The major religions of the world include Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Judaism, and many others. Christianity is the world's largest religion, with over 2.4 billion followers, and is based on the life and teachings of Jesus Christ. Islam is the second largest religion, with over 1.9 billion followers, and is based on the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad. Hinduism, with over 1.2 billion followers, is the oldest religion in the world and is mainly practiced in India. Buddhism, with over 535 million followers, is based on the teachings of Siddhartha Gautama and is practiced in many parts of Asia. Sikhism, with over 30 million followers, originated in India and emphasizes the importance of equality and service. Judaism, with over 14 million followers, is based on the belief in one God in the covenant between God and the Jewish people. The link between religion and globalization is complex and multifaceted. On the one hand, globalization has led to the spread of religious ideas and practices around the world, as people move, communicate, and share information more easily than ever before. This has led to the growth of new religious movements and the increased visibility of traditional religions in new parts of the world. On the other hand, globalization has also challenged traditional religious beliefs and practices, as people encounter new ideas and ways of life that may conflict with their religious teachings. For instance, the rise of secularism and individualism in Western societies has led to a decline in religious participation and influence. Technology has played a significant role in the globalization of religion. The internet, social media, and other forms of digital communication have made it easier for religious groups to connect with people around the world and to spread their message to new audiences. This has led to the growth of online religious communities and the increased visibility of religious ideas and practices in the global public sphere. For example, the use of social media by Pope Francis has enabled the Catholic Church to reach a wider audience and to engage with younger generations who are increasingly using technology to connect with others.
Our topic is about the globalization of religion. Religion is the most difficult relationship with globalism. These two are entirely contrasting belief systems. Religion is considered sacred while globalism places value on material. Religion follows divine commandments while globalism abides by human-made laws. Religious people are less concerned with wealth. Religious people are ascetic. They are ascetic because they avoid anything material for complete simplicity, from the clothes they wear, the food they eat, and even to the manner in which they are so simple. For them, their main duty is to live a virtuous and sinless life because they believe that when they die, there is assurance that there is a place waiting for them in the other world, or our concept heaven or hell. On the other hand, globalists are less worried about they will end up in heaven or hell. In globalism, their skills are monotonous as they aim to engage in trades, increase profits, to improve the government revenue collections, to protect allies from excessive tax to the government, and to enrich themselves. Religious people are concerned with spreading holy ideas globally. On the other hand, globalists wishes to spread goods and services. The religious aspires to become a saint while the globalist trains to be a business person.
Globalization affects religious practices and beliefs in several ways, both positively and negatively. One is increased religious diversity and exchange. People are exposed to different religions, leading to interfaith dialogue and cultural blending. Two is spread of religious. Technology and travel help religions expand globally, making conversions and missionary work easier. Three is secularization and religious adaptation. Scientific and cultural influence can weaken religious adherents or push religions to modernize their teaching. 4 is religious conflict and foundation. Increased religious interaction can lead to tensions with some groups becoming more conservative or extreme. Lastly is legal and political challenges. Religious freedom expands but conflict arise between religious laws and secular governance in diverse societies.
Globalization deeply reshapes how religions function. Travel and communication connect believers across vast distances. Shared media platforms allow for the rapid disseminations of religious ideas and practices. This global connectivity can foster a sense of belonging to a worldwide religious community.
The relationship between religion and global conflict and peace. Religion and global conflict. Historical religious wars. Many conflicts have religious undertones such as the Crusades, 11th to 13th centuries, the 30 Years' War, and sectarian conflicts in the Middle East and South Asia. Religious extremism and terrorism. Some extremist groups use religious ideologies to justify violence such as ISIS and Boko Haram.
Religious nationalism. Some governments or movements blend religious identity with nationalism, leading to persecution of minorities and conflicts, such as Hindu nationalism in India or Buddhism nationalism in Myanmar. Resource and political power is caused as religion. Many so-called religious conflict are actually driven by political, economic, or territorial ambitions, with religion serving as a mobilizing tool rather than the true cause.
Religion and global peace. Moral and ethical guidance. Most religions advocate peace, compassion, and justice, providing moral frameworks that encourage harmony. Peace movements. Figures like Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King Jr., Christianity, and the Dalai Lama, Buddhism, have used religious teachings to advocate for non-violence and social justice, forgiveness and reconciliation. Many post-conflict peace passes such as South Africa's Truth and Reconciliation Commission have relied on religious principles of forgiveness and healing.
The role of media in the globalization of cultures and religions and in the creations of the global village. Media like TV, radio, or digital media like social media or mga websites has played a pivotal role in shaping how cultures, religions, and global communities connect, interact, and influence each other.
The media plays a central role in the globalization of culture and religion by facilitating the widespread exchange of ideas, values, and practices across the world through television, social media, news outlets, and digital platforms. Media enables people from different cultures and religious backgrounds to access information and connect with one another. Transcending geographic and cultural boundaries, this interconnectedness has led to a more integrated global society.
Platforms, people from different cultures gain exposure to diverse tradition, lifestyle, and religious practices, fostering both cultural exchange and hybridization, and this interconnectedness promotes understanding and tolerance but can also lead to cultural homogenization, where dominant culture overshadow local tradition. Additionally, media enables religious groups to reach global audiences, spreading teachings and fostering interfaith dialogue. As a result, media not only connect people worldwide but also shapes the way culture and religion evolve in a globalized world. That's all.
Does the religion unite the global village? Religion has the potential to both unite and divide the global village. It fosters unity by providing shared beliefs, moral values, and sense of belonging among people worldwide. Many religious traditions emphasize peace, compassion, and cooperation, encouraging interfaith dialogue and global humanitarian efforts. For example, initiatives like interfaith organization, religious caritas, and global peace movements show how religion can bring diverse communities together. However, religion can also create divisions due to differences in beliefs, practices, and interpretations throughout history. Religious conflicts, intolerance, and sectarianism have led to tension between groups. Misuse of religion's identity for political or ideological purposes can further deepen this divide.